So you go to the fish market one day. You want to eat sashimi or carpaccio, and you think to yourself, maybe you'll cut out some of the labor cost. Well, little did you know, unless you've got experience, most of that fish has not become sashimi on your kitchen bench. Now obviously you don't want to throw it in the bin, but it's not exactly the most appetizing either. Here's a suggestion: make a poke bowl. The best poke bowls have a balance of elements that are salty, sweet, fresh, spicy, umami, and creamy. Here's my take on it. First, wash and cook the rice. I use short or medium grain because I prefer it to be a bit starchy. While your rice is cooking, cut up your tuna into cubes. You can swap this for salmon, but I recommend avoiding white flesh fish as the meat is usually too delicate. Chuck all your fish into a big bowl and add your soy sauce, sugar, rice vinegar, mirin, and sake. Top it off with some chili oil or sesame oil. Now to prep the rest of the ingredients. Boil some edamame and then take out the beans. Cut off some scallions, dice your cucumber, cut off some seaweed, and use scissors. Make a thin layer of egg and then roll it up like a crepe and then cut into small strips. Finally, grab your avocados and realize that you should have checked their ripeness the day before. That's okay, we'll just use a creamy substitute. Once your rice is done, begin assembling. Start with big ingredients on the bottom and then finish with some seaweed, scallion, and toasted sesame seeds. Mayo is optional, especially if you already have avocado. Otherwise, be sure to use Japanese-style mayo. Now you know what to do with your raw fish scrap. You should preferably finish it within the day, but if it is fresh, it will last another day sitting in the marinade in the fridge. My recipe in the description calls for more ingredients than I used in the video. That's because I just used whatever was lying around in the kitchen at the time. But if you follow the principles or the recipe, then you'll find you'll make peak poke bowl.